Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trade Analysis with a quick market update for today, Monday, 21st of October. We are starting the week a little bit confused, a little bit of a sell-off, then buy-up. I mean, it's just chop, volatility, and not clear direction. So you have to really be patient to wait for better opportunities throughout the week, for new catalyst, economic data, things like that. The first thing I would like to mention is this volume imbalance on the daily that we are holding, but right now it's just on the 1 hour. It's, as I was saying during the weekly recap that I'm going to link right now in the upper right corner for you to check. If you didn't check that out, it's really worth your time. This is the 1 hour. As you can see, on Wednesday we pushed, on Friday we chopped, and now look at today, sell off and right back up. We didn't take this liquidity down here. That's worth mentioning, where the 15-minute fair value gap it is. We are holding the volume imbalance on the daily, but I mentioned that on the weekly recap. We are still in the danger zone between the daily and the weekly inverse fair value gaps. So really difficult to trade. What I did today, it's basically try to find some bottom for risk reward ratio, and I really took a really nice trade for this Friday's pullback on this liquidity. I was waiting for that, but I was willing to take a stab long down here because I saw some structure. As always, I always try to lean on a fair value gap, on a manipulation move. In this case, was this inverse fair value gap that was holding, and I look for the fair value gap that provide me a little bit of a risk reward ratio towards my side. So this candle provided me the manipulation move, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So I basically took, for an 8-point risk, I took this entry on this candle, and I was willing to risk a false hold. But I was really happy with my position when I started seeing some kind of push. My target was a low hanging fruit. I was really watching towards these relative equal highs, but I was saying, okay, let's be conservative. We are selling off like pretty a lot today. So let's just take the first fair value gap that is inverse, and that's what I do. What I did, risk reward ratio of 1 to 10, one of the best risk reward ratio of one of my trades since February. Taking 84 points, and then when I take these kind of trades, I really don't think about what I missed, because then it's just chop. I was happy with my execution. I was happy with my target. Sometimes, I mean, hindsight, they were looking for this, but you don't have to trade for 177 points. Sometimes that don't happen. So if you have 84 points in this market, just take it. More than $1,500, it's really good to start the week. After the open, well, we reverted that just in time for that daily pivot in here at 20,560. We reverted that. We held this zone down here. And why is doing this the Nasdaq? Well, the only name that is pushing is Nvidia. Nvidia is reaching new all-time highs. Is just wanting, it's really pushing for the number one stock in terms of market cap, ahead of earnings, ahead of, this is AI, FOMO, AI push, AI bulls pushing this. The Nasdaq is only reacting to Nvidia. The rest, it's pretty much on the sell side, on the red. Russell 2000, it's selling off 1.40. The breadth is not really good. We are still holding, but I mean, today it was a pretty difficult day. If you were caught in this chop on this range, we have to manage our risk, and we are still in this zone. New week opening range gap, we are still below that. We are below the pivot. We took the liquidity. We are just chopping, wicking around. This is tricky manipulation. So just wait for better opportunities throughout the week. That's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos like this one every single day for market forecasts, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time as always. Remember that discipline, patience, and risk management are key for your success. Stay safe, everyone, and see you tomorrow.